Hi sweet pals, how are you all doing? Welcome back again to my channel. Hope you are good. On today's episode, I'm bringing to you guys a complete video of how to cook and cut your goat head. You know, this goat head is actually a very big tax for a lot of people. So when we go to the market to buy this goat head for our Isi Ewu recipe, we usually tell the butcherman to help us cut it into pieces, because sometimes we don't have all the tools that are needed to cut this goat head. But on this video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can cook your goat head, make it tender enough for you to be able to cut it even with your normal kitchen knife. And hey guys, I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you for keep watching my videos. And if this is your first time of visiting my channel, you are highly welcome. And also don't forget to like the video if you like what I do, and also please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's keep going. Let's dive into the video. To make sure that my knife is sharp, and then I'm going to give this Isi Ewu a slit here. Also give it a slit at the other end. I'm going to be using this pot to cook, and I hope that my goat head is going to fit in, because the goat head is quite big. I'm going to be adding in some water. Also add some salt. Cover it and then start cooking. So it has been boiling for more than 30 minutes, and I have to occasionally turn the other side for it to cook evenly, owing that the goat head is big and my pot is not quite big, so it didn't fit in very well. And after like 2 hours or more, my goat head is ready. And guys, just look at that beauty, and see the skin is even very tender, maybe because I cooked it for a longer time, and it smells so good that I just want to start eating it at this point. But then I'll have to go ahead and start cutting the goat head. Alright guys, so this is how you cut your goat head, and please rate my goat head cutting skill. At least I tried, right? Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, please leave me a comment and also subscribe and like the video, okay? And also watch out for the next video I'm going to make, where I will use this goat head to make an Isi Ewu recipe, and I'm sure you guys will love that one too. And see you on the next one. Goodbye.